Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Crosscall Core M5. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click on this application and click install. Now click open. And here you can click skip introduction, and now you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you can set your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And now it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, or you can click not now. And now your Microsoft Edge is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.